All right, so let's try this again. I wanted to go over how to fill this thing out because some of you asked me to put up a video up of this, and so I'm going to. All right, so I wanted to show a calculator. All right, hold on a second. Let me get a calculator up. Maybe we can do this all at the same time. All right, there are multiple ways to do this. The easiest way to do this is if you're starting. Let's see. If you're starting here, that's black. All right. If you're starting with this number here, the easiest thing to find at that point is the pH because you have the concentration of H. And we learned that the pH is the log of the concentration and then negative. And that's because most concentrations will have these negative exponents. And therefore, if you take the log of it, you're going to get a negative number. So we make it the negative log of the concentration. So 1.5 to the negative 11th, and then you hit log, and that'll give you a number, minus 10.82, and then we want to make that positive, so that would make this 10.82. Now for the POH, so that's how we found that. So this number, this pH, the concentration of H was used to find the pH. The POH is easy to figure out because pH plus POH equals 14. So 14 minus 10.83 rather. 14 minus 10.83 will let us know that that is not 110.83. 10.83. Enter. There you go, 3.17. That is 3.17. And then to figure out the OH concentration, then that'll be 10 to the power of the minus POH. So we have our POH is 3.17. So we just have to take negative 3.17 negative, and then put 10 to that power. And what you get is 6.76 times 10 to the minus 4. All right, so that is how you fill those out. And then for the acid or base, you're looking at the pH. Since that's greater than 7, that makes it a base. So same thing here where we start with this one. The easiest thing to do first is to take the log of that. So you just take the log of 4.1 times 10 to the minus 2. And you get negative 1.38, which you want to make positive or change the sign basically. 1.38 would be the POH. Then to find the pH, that's just 14 minus 1.38. So 14 minus 1.38 will give us 12.62, and that's what this is going to be. And then to find this, the concentration of H, that's just 10 to the negative pH, which is 10 to the negative 12.62. So 12.62 negative and 10 to that power. So 2.39 times 10 to the minus 13 times 10 to the minus 13. And that's what that is. And again, for the acid or base, you're looking at the pH. Since it's over 7, that's going to be a base. So this last one is starting with the POH. So the pH is easy enough by just taking that and 14 minus 10.61. 0.61, I think that's what it said. And that'll give us 3.39. So the pH is 3.39. And then you put 10 to the minus 3.39 to figure out your concentration of H plus. So 3.39, just make that negative and put 10 to that power. What happened there? What happened there? But anyway, 10 to that power. So 4.07 times 10 to the negative 4 is what this is. 4.07 times 10 to the minus 4. And then this one you can figure out by putting 10 to the power of negative 10.61. So 10.61. Man, my computer is is jumpy. 10.61 negative and 10 to that. So 2.45 times 10 to the minus 11. And then this is going to be, because your pH is low now, an acid. So hopefully that helps. I thought that was all I was promising to do. And I'll talk to you later.